If you're looking for a delicious twist on a classic recipe, my French onion soup rice is the perfect side dish when entertaining. In an oven-safe skillet, you're going to want to melt your butter with some olive oil, and once it's sizzling, add in your thinly sliced onions. Now, unlike traditional French onion soup, you won't have to stir for hours, just until they're nice and lightly golden. Then deglaze the onions with some balsamic vinegar, and add in the beef broth. Sprinkle in the onion soup mix and whisk it in until dissolved. Bring the broth to a simmer, then turn off the heat. Add the rice to the skillet, making sure it's nice and level, and then place the pieces of butter on top. Add the lid to the skillet, and then place in the oven to cook the rice. Once it's nice and cooked, you're going to sprinkle the rice with your cheese and place it under the broiler until nice and golden. Garnish the French onion soup rice with fresh thyme, and you're ready to impress your guests with this delicious side dish. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.